Have you ever wondered why meditation is gaining popularity these days? What is that something that somebody else can teach me and I don't know myself? Why there is a need to, calm myself down, to come to center, and most importantly, why is there somebody else who is teaching me how to do that? So, what's going on here? Our fourth element, air. We take our breaths for granted, and we understand its relevance when we lose couple of breaths. As per WHO, 9 out of 10 people are inhaling polluted air, and by the time we realize, the damage has already been done. So how do I, what measures can I take? Now there is a gross aspect and subtle. Now the air that I'm breathing is the prominent, is the maximum amount of air that I'm inhaling, and the subtle aspect is the air on my face, on my body, right, on my skin, the air that is moving on my skin. So what do I need to do? Of course, external measures are there, but internally what we can do at home, get rid of all the pollutants, all the fumes that are present in my chemical based cleaners, perfumes, room freshener, incense sticks, and all of that. In a lot of cultures people use incense sticks, but that's a big no. It's a big reason of air pollution at home. So these are some very basic measures that we can take, and you can always replace perfumes with essential oils. Now coming back to that, what is the need of meditation, and where is air in my body? Now let's take a step back and understand during evolution what has happened. We got lungs, right? 2 lungs, and this lung has some capacity. Because today we are not using our lung, full capacity of our lungs, we are inviting other issues like depression, chronic illnesses, upper respiratory issues, and which is why there is a need to reclaim this rhythm of air. That is one. Secondly, sometimes because of our cellular structure of the body, which is different in everybody, there is also an imbalance in air. So hence, at times when people consume a lot of raw fruits and vegetables, all the time raw fruits, raw vegetables, there's an element of air that also gets imbalanced. So that also needs to be balanced with the diet. But let's not go too far on that aspect, because it is important to be aware that what is the cause of imbalance. All right, now let's understand, why do I need to regulate this breath? We all have rhythm of breaths. Because we don't pay attention, so we lose this rhythm, and that is why there are a lot of meditation, there are techniques to reclaim this rhythm. And this rhythm, if you pay attention, you would understand there is a long breath cycle, medium breath cycle, and short breath cycle. This is present in all human beings, so there is nothing that we need to feel that, hey, this is something very unique. Only with little attention we can understand. The other issue that is the reason that why we are not using our lungs with full capacity is because of our incorrect posture. Our sitting postures are incorrect, and standing posture is incorrect, which is why again we are not using lungs with the full capacity. So just being aware of your posture and mindfully breathing. So how do I breathe mindfully? So before you learn any meditation technique, this comes naturally to us, but because we have lost our instinct, so there are techniques to help us. There is one very easy technique, pranayama. Prana means breath, yama means control. So controlling the breath. Why do I need to control breath? Again, like I said, because we have lost the rhythm of breathing, which is long breath, medium breath, and short breath. I've lost that rhythm. So to claim that rhythm, I have to help myself with some tools. So one basic tool is Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. This, how you could do that: close your eyes, gently put your 2 fingers between the eyebrows, Breathe in from both the nostrils, breathe out from left, close right nostril, breathe in from left, breathe out from right, breathe in from right, breathe out from left. So this is one round, and you have to do it slowly. I just demonstrated for that purpose. When you do it, sit down, spine straight, and eyes closed. Do this for 5 rounds, morning, evening. So this is just, this will help you in getting back to center, keeping your spine straight. And of course, learn a meditation technique. This helps in reclaiming rhythm. But like I said, if I, be aware of my posture, right? If I become aware of how I'm standing, how I'm breathing, then you don't need any other technique, because this will help you to get back to your instinct. And remember, during evolution, all we used was our posture and lungs capacity, right? There was no other meditation techniques. So I hope you understand that meditation is not something that I have to learn somewhere. It is anytime, anywhere. You can practice it anytime, anywhere. You just have to be aware that you're breathing, right? I hope